Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. If the video and the audio is not syncing, it's because I lost my audio on the first half of this video, so I'm giving you a voiceover. So I'm going to give you a few details about this box. This is from bulk.com. It's a general merchandise books commercial equipment. I paid $82 for it. It has 83 items in it, so it's got less than $1 per item in it. And so that's really awesome. I got this in a 5-box set where they were running a special, and so I didn't have to pay shipping. So let's get into this box and just see what we find. So as I open up this box, we're going to find some interesting things in it. We'll just get it open here. All right, so we see lots of different things. First thing I'm going to pull out is a Blaze in the Monster Machines book that makes sound. It makes kind of like a car driving sound for preschoolers. And then I pull out a Star Wars bags with Row on it and the Millennium Falcon. A bunch of those, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I ended up with probably about 19 of these. Not all of them have the same picture, as I'll show you. These ones here have almost the whole crew, Chewbacca. So I have a bunch of those in there. So about $1 a piece, that seems about right for these items. The cool thing I want to point out is that if you notice as I'm pulling them out of the box, I have got tags on each one of them. So they're all brand new, so I'll be able to list them all brand new. We'll keep pulling them out here. Here's another Blaze in the Monster Machines book. Another one. And then this is a timer, like that you use most of the time at Christmas time. Part of the reason why this box was on sale was because it had some seasonal items in it, but these automated timers are used all time of the year, sometimes even, for landscaping lights and things of that nature. So I've also got a remote timer, so, sometimes when you're sitting in the living room and you're too lazy to get up, you can just press the button and turn your lights on and off. I'm going to find some more things in this box. Here's another Blaze in the Monster Machines. And a binder. A love banner. Some more Blaze in the Monster Machines. A bunch more of those. So this is going to be really nice because I'll be able to actually list those quickly. A notepad, a binder, some more timers, another timer. Ugh. I've got a 3-way extension cord. A bunch of notepads in here. Bunch of notepads. I can see why there were 83 items in here. So a pile of notepads. Here's a cute little accessory box. I think it's like a pencil holder. Here's a coffee cup that says procaffeinating, the tendency to not start anything until you have had a cup of coffee. That's so me. Have to have my coffee in the AM. Some more bags. Some more bags. Almost to the bottom here. All right, 2 more binders. Sorry about that. A little Dinoco car. So I think it's from the Cars movie. It's an ornament. You want to see that? And then I've got a nice notepad, fun notepad set. A nice pretty bowl, decorative bowl. this is a mobile, like the, you put it on your car vent and you hold your GPS or your phone, for a mobile phone holder. I got a Cars notepad. I got some more notepads. Some of them are magnetic and some of them are not. Let me get in here and get the rest. I'm too short. I'm too short. All right. Thank you cards. Pens. Notepad. A tassel banner. And some more notepads. So lots of stationery type stuff, but a few seasonal items. And I think that we're gonna do really well with what we got going on. So I think I definitely can make more than $1 a piece on these. So I think I'll be able to make my money back. Lots of options and lots of things that I can do multiples of. And I hope this has been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.